Hello guys, let's visit one of the model ng Olivares Homes, which is their Clover, single detached. Lot area is 102 square meters. Floor area it's at 79 square meters. Complete turnover, 2-story. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, one sa first floor and isa pa sa second floor. Sa second floor, lahat ng bedrooms. So, it has 3 bedrooms. And you have also a carport and balcony for this unit. If you have further questions or concerns, reopen lang to guys. So, limited slots lang or limited units lang ang available for now. Don't hesitate to message me, call or text me. See you soon.